Samriddhi Yadav and my co-anchor Arna Divedi welcome you all to the brand new episode of DAV Eco's News Bulletin. We are proud to present remarkable achievements and memorable moments of the month of April at DAV Fertilizer Public School, Babrala.
April has been a month full of enthusiasm, learning, talent and success. Our students and teachers have proved that dedication and hard work always lead to success.
From academic accomplishments to co-curricular milestones, from inspiring celebrations to meaningful activities, every event reflected the spirit and the values of a prestigious institution.
Today, we share a glimpse of these proud moments that made April truly special for the DAV family.
So stay tuned as we celebrate success, creativity and teamwork in this exciting monthly news episode. Mahatma Hansraj Jayanti celebrated with reverence at DAV Fertilizer Public School. DAV Fertilizer Public School celebrated Mahatma Hansraj ji's birth anniversary with reverence, dignity and enthusiasm at DAV Fertilizer Public School. The entire school family actively participated in the special prayer assembly organized on this occasion. As part of the cultural program, the collective presentation of the song Mahatma Hansraj Ki Jai created an inspiring atmosphere. In his address, Principal Shri Anand Swarup Saraswat said that Mahatma Hansraj's life is an ideal example of service, sacrifice and dedication to nation building. He inspired students to imbibe his principles and contribute to the development of society. He also mentioned that DAV institutions observe this day as Samarpan Divas, which conveys the message of selfless service.
Outstanding performance by students of DAV Fertilizer Public School, Babrala. The students of DAV Fertilizer Public School, Babrala have brought laurels to the school by delivering an excellent performance in various national and international Olympiad examinations. This remarkable achievement has proved the institution's academic excellence. During the felicitation ceremony organized at the school, all these talented students were honored by the principal with certificates and medals. On the same occasion, students of class 10 who performed exceptionally well in the CBSE Board Examination 2025-26 were also specially encouraged and appreciated. Ayushi Vashne scored 99.4%, followed by Akshita Saxena and Dishita Vashne, who scored 98.4 and 97.4 in aggregate respectively. On this occasion, the principal, Mr. Anand Swarup Saraswat, congratulated all the achievers and said, "The success of our students is the result of their hard work, dedication, and the guidance of their teachers. The school remains committed to the holistic development of students and expects such an excellent result in the future as well."
Ambedkar Jayanti celebrated with dignity, reverence and enthusiasm at DAV Fertilizer Public School, Babrala. At DAV Fertilizer Public School, Babrala, the birth anniversary of Bharat Ratna Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was celebrated on 14th April 2026 with great reverence, dignity and enthusiasm. On this occasion, school teachers Shri Shiv Shankar Dikshit and Shri Neeraj Saxena spoke in detail about the inspiring life of Dr. Ambedkar, his struggles and his invaluable contributions to the making of the Indian Constitution. In his inspiring address, Principal Shri Anand Swarup Saraswat said that Dr. Ambedkar was not only the architect of the Indian Constitution but also a great thinker, visionary social reformer and a powerful guide.
Tritiya Sopan Scout Guide Camp at DAV Babrala. The 3-day Pratham Sopan and 5-day Tritiya Sopan Scout Guide Camp organized at DAV Fertilizer Public School, Babrala concluded in a dignified atmosphere on 1st April 2026. The camp began with the hoisting of the Scout Guide flag by the principal, Shri Anand Swarup Saraswat. In his inspiring address, he said, "It is extremely important to remain healthy and strong in life. Only when we are physically and mentally strong can we help others and make a meaningful contribution to the progress of the nation." A total of 49 participants from Pratham Sopan and 27 participants from Tritiya Sopan enthusiastically took part in the camp. The camp was conducted under the able guidance of Chief Trainer Shri Prince Kumar, District Organization Commissioner Sambhal, and Training Counselor Shri Ajit Kumar. At the closing ceremony, all participants were awarded certificates by School Coordinator Mrs. Vinita Srivastav. The camp proved to be an important initiative towards the holistic development of students.
DAV FPS celebrates World Book and Copyright Day. On the occasion of World Book and Copyright Day, an inspiring and knowledge-enriching program was organized at DAV Fertilizer Public School, Babrala, Sambhal. On this occasion, students presented many interesting activities depicting the importance of books in an interesting and effective manner. A special activity titled Drop Everything and Read was conducted, in which students and teachers participated enthusiastically. The main highlight of the program was that all the students and staff members of the school spent around 25 minutes peacefully reading their favorite books. This activity promoted interest in reading and improved concentration among students. The program concluded with the message, "Today's reader, tomorrow's leader." The event proved to be highly significant in promoting reading culture. The program concluded with the message, "Today's reader, tomorrow's leader." The event proved to be highly significant in promoting reading culture along with the intellectual and mental development of students. On this occasion, the principal of the school, Mr. Anand Swarup Saraswat, spoke to our student reporters and gave a message.
With these proud achievements and memorable moments, we come to the end of this news episode. Thank you for joining us in celebrating the spirit of excellence at DAV Fertilizer Public School, Babrala.
Stay connected for more inspiring stories. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep shining. Thank you.